हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। अभी हम इस सीरीज़ में जो है वो कॉमन पीएचडी क्वेश्चंस जो एग्रीकल्चर के करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड है उसको डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। 40 इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स जो आने वाले एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फर्स्ट, द यूनियन एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर इज श्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान। ही इज़ लीडिंग ऑन गोइंग Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan launched on 29 May 2025 from Puri, Odisha. He launched this program. The second one, the current share of agriculture in India's GDP is 18.2% according to Economic Survey 2023 and 24. India's current nominal GDP is estimated to be growth of 9.8% for the financial year 2024 and 25. Country which has the highest GDP in agriculture is the United States. The number of total KVK in India is 731. The first Union Minister of Agriculture in India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. PM Asha scheme. This scheme was launched in 2018. It is also called an umbrella scheme to ensure minimum support price to farmers, particularly in pulses, oilseed and copra. The first crop under MSP is wheat. It was introduced in 1966 to 1967. Mohan Singh Mehta is the founder of KVK in 1974 at Puducherry. The present Director General of the ICR is Dr. Mange Lal Jatt. On 5th May 2025, Agriculture Minister launched India's first genome-edited rice developed by ICR. This rice is known as DRR Dhan Lokmala and Pusa DST Rice 1. It matures 50 to 20 days earlier with 25% higher yield. DST Rice 1 is salinity alkalinity tolerant with 30% more yield. On 25th June 2025, the Union Cabinet launched the International Potato Center, established a South Asia Regional Center in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, National Turmeric Board inaugurated in Telangana. Scientists developed heat-tolerant pigeon pea variety named ICPV 25444 using speed breeding technique. Which Indian state has recorded a 20% increase in cotton cultivation in 2025? It is Punjab. How many Kharif crops in MSP hike for 2025 to 26 season? It is 14. Total 14 Kharif price. For which crop has Dhanka Agritech launched the herbicide Dinkar, that is the paddy? Which system ensure accurate data collection for crop production and follow data protection law for farmers' information? It is called AgriStack system. Which system introduced by NINIF-TEM helps to reduce post-harvest losses in perishable food transportation using solar power and 10T technology? It is called Sarthi system, solar assisted reefer transportation control and intelligence with hybrid. The 2023 is declared as the International Year of Millet. Millets are belong to Poaceae family. India is the largest producer of millets in the world. National Year of Millets is called 2018. The Union Budget 2023 to 25 refer millet as Shri Anna, the mother of all grains. Indian Institute of Millet Research is in Hyderabad. One Nation One Fertilizer Scheme, also known as Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana. In this, uniform bag design is launched for all type of fertilizers. Liquid Nano Urea, new form of liquid fertilizer launched by Pradhan Mantri at Kalol, Gujarat. It is the form in urea in the form of nanoparticle, contains 4% of total nitrogen and shelf life of 1 year, and its efficiency is 85 to 90%. IFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, founded in 1967 and its headquarters in Delhi. Jute Mark India logo launched by government. Jute, also known as golden fiber, one of the oldest and most used natural fibers. It grows in tropical lowland area with 60 to 90% humidity. Jute is a rain-fed crop. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods. The 11th agriculture census in the country was done in 2021 to 22. India has hosted the session of governing body of the CEAT Treaty. The CEAT Treaty, known as the International Treaty of Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture, aimed at conserving, utilizing, overseeing plant genetic resources, enacted by FAO in 2001 and gained enforcement in 2004. Treaty facilitated the exchange of 64 crucial crops. National Milk Day, held on 26 November as the 101st birth anniversary of Dr. Verghese Kurien, known as the father of the White Revolution in India. MSP are applicable to 14 Kharif crops, 6 Rabi crops and commercial crops. Saffron bowl of Kashmir is known as the Pampore region. Kashmiri saffron recently got GI status. Aquaponics is a stream where the principle of hydroponics is related with the agriculture. BT cotton is a sole genetically modified crops permitted in India. The incorporated foreign gene in BT cotton is Bacillus thuringiensis, which confer resistance against pink bollworm. Genetically Engineering Appraisal Committee Authority permitting the release of GI crops. India, recognized as globe's premier exporter of basmati rice, secure a protected geographical indication status (PGI) tag for basmati rice. The world's first genetically modified rubber sapling was recently introduced to Rubber Board Saturated Research Farm located on Assam. It contains MnSOD gene, manganese containing superoxide dismutase. Land races. It pertains to naturally occurring variation of commonly grown crops. Rahi Bai Popre received Padma Award and widely recognized and seed mother, hail from Maharashtra. She successfully saved numerous original forms of commonly cultivated crops. Orphan crops, which are not traded internationally and get less attention in research. Example of orphan crops are finger millet, bambara groundnut and amarnath. Saguna rice technique will help to stop stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana. Sea buckthorn, known as wonder plant, Ladakh golden bush, got the GI tag. It is drought resistant. UN declared 2026 as International Year of the Woman Farmer. Biofortification, improving the nutritional quality of food crop. ICR developed 142 biofortified seed variety, including 124 for field crops and 18 for horticulture crops. In the Union Budget for financial year 2024 to 25, rupees 1.52 lakh crore is given for the agriculture and allied sector. So these all are the 40 important points regarding the general agriculture question. So always like and subscribe my channel and let's tune to here.